Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with a focused clinical assessment. Identify the deviation type and measure angle and binocular function. Once done, get a full refraction and dilated exam to rule out amblyopia or pathology. Make sure to obtain baseline photographs and cover test measurements so progress is objective. Begin non-invasive corrections right away. Glasses to correct refractive error, and a patching plan for amblyopia when indicated, because early alignment increases the chance of restoring binocular vision. You progress to active therapies aimed at improving fusion and control. Use prisms for symptomatic small angles and start orthoptic exercises to strengthen fusional ranges. Make sure to combine in-office vision therapy with daily home exercises, including convergence and tracking drills, to retrain ocular motor control. If control remains poor after consistent therapy and correction, consider discussing surgical options. Throughout this period, track angle changes and visual acuity weekly, so decisions are based on measurable improvement. You complete treatment with definitive alignment when indicated. Coordinate surgery tailored to the measured angle and muscle function, and ensure informed consent about outcomes and recovery. After surgery, make sure to monitor for inflammation, infection, or persistent diplopia, and start post-op orthoptics to consolidate binocular function. If things go wrong, persistent or recurring misalignment, reassess refractive status, consider prism adaptation, secondary surgery, or intensified vision therapy. A multidisciplinary review helps
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.